Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add song in WhatsApp status. Friends, now you can very easily add songs in your WhatsApp story. So to do so, you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. Now in your WhatsApp app, you need to press on updates. Here you need to press on add status. Now from gallery you can select photo or video. I am selecting a photo. Now to add a song to this photo, I simply need to press on this music icon. If you have selected a video, then also you need to press on this music icon. Now from here you can select any song. I am selecting this song. To select the song, you need to press on this arrow. From here you can select any 15 seconds of the song. I have muted the song volume to avoid any copyright issue. So after selecting the portion of the song, you need to press on done. Now press on the send button. Now my status is live. You can see your song name here. So friends, like this you can very easily add song in your WhatsApp status. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.